So I wanted to do a quick how-to on how to set a rivet with this press. Because I am using a flathead rivet, as you can see here, I am going to use the flat anvil on the bottom, and I am going to use this is the 3/32 rivet header, but I'm going to use the 1/16 rivet header, which is already in the tool. I am going to put that through the hole. Because it is a 1/16 inch rivet, you want to cut the length at about 1/16 of an inch. So get that cut. Now the tricky part is getting that onto that anvil without it falling out, which I did that. Going to line it up and then give it a nice, quick, good pull. Nice and firm. And there you go. I would say that is just about a perfect rivet right there. So that is how you use this press to set rivets.